Let's go to ChatGPT from Google Chrome. We are using Android to make this video on how to make a WordPress tools. You can use your Android. So as you see, I am writing a prompt in ChatGPT. You can use the prompt. I will share it in the description. The prompt generates us a result, uh, step by steps on how to do the tools, and it also generate HTML code, necessary JavaScript and styles. ChatGPT always explains the code he writes. So go to your plugin and add new plugin. Type WP code and search it. So install the plugin and activate WP code plugin. Now from that, go to uh, plugin and add a new snippet. As you see, we can create different types of code here. Let's see what ChatGPT suggests. It suggests to use add new snippets from that custom code and use JavaScript or HTML snippet. So type add custom snippet, and from there click on HTML snippet, select HTML snippet. Now let's copy our code from the chat GPT. Click on copy code, and the code is copied. And now go to our app and place the code. Paste all the codes here. Scroll up or down to see the code is pasted. Okay, our code is pasted. And now in the top right corner you can see inactive or active button, and in the uh, under the code you can see short code, but we will use a short code to paste it in our post. Okay, just scroll up and select inactive to active and save our snippet. And now the shortcode will generate for us. You need to uh, copy the shortcode, and now go to a new page. I create a new page, name it word counter, and from the right corner of the plus, click on plus, and here type shortcode, search for shortcode and click on it, and now paste our shortcode that we generate. Okay, and then publish the code. The page is now published. Let's visit our page. Now you can see that our word counter is ready uh, with the text field, and uh, the counter under the text field. So you can see I type something and it says the 5 words